Yes, absolutely.
As a part of him, how are you feeling now?
Little bit will move, na?
So, how is the feeling now? After became MLA,
Very nice. This is a big victory for Tamilnaga Vetri Kazhagam, only for Thalapathy Vijay. Okay?
what is the priority for your constituency? First priority.
Education, all. Clean and clear Pallavaram, our constituency will be.
And what is the problems of your constituency?
Before all is problem there. Okay, roads are problem. No corporations are not clean. Health department, education department, too much. All are problem.
So, as a citizen, how you see, how you admire him?
How to say? Record breaking. History record break. 75 years record break. 50 years record break of the last worst government systems.
It feels so good, sir. So first priority for cricket ground, playground, we need a public work, more public work. Public work, all on the constituency we are. We need to work a lot. Past 30 years, no more work has been done in Alandur. Now we have come to Alandur, so we have to do work a lot more. Vijay Anna told, you should never get a single money from people. You should work a lot for people welfare. What? Anything. What said, we have to work a lot for people. Sir, main agenda for the you are asking Alandur constituency. Sir, there are a lot of agendas there, sir. No more what to do. You will, sir. Harish. Alandur.
Thank you so much, sir. Polur, Thiruvannamalai district, sir. We have already addressed everything. The basic issues have not been fulfilled in past 50 years in this Dravidian model stuff. So we have addressed it, and we are trying to make it into a new things and fulfill the basic needs of these peoples. Yes. Sorry? Yeah. To serve for the people. That is what he said. That is his main action.
Which type of service?
Sorry?
Which type of service he is telling?
No, it's not a service like which type of service in the sense what you're trying to ask. I'm not understand.
People friendly.
Okay.
One of MLA said no take any money from the people.
See, there is not going to be any corruption or anything. It's fully for a service for the people. We are not here to do like other people's like who are ruling you for past 50 years. Don't worry, this is different completely. Thank you.
No. Nothing. High command will tell.
Who is the high command, sir? Who is the high command?
GS.
தளபதியின் வெற்றி தமிழகத்தின் வெற்றி சிறப்பாக இருந்தது. அதெல்லாம் சம்பவம் பண்ணது தலைவர், அவரே சும்மா இருக்காரு. நம்ம சம்பவம் பண்ணது நம்ம தலைவர் தான். இல்ல அது ஜஸ்ட் அவர்கிட்ட வாழ்த்துக்கள் வாங்குறோம்.